September.
What's up, guys? Austin and my friend Hunter, the Mini Rod Squad. We got our bass poles, and he's got a little mini rod. And we're going to my neighbor's pond. We're gonna go catch a bass.
Oscar.
Dude, it's too early for this. It's like 6 in the morning. First cast. Yeah, I don't have a mini rod. I'm kind of running low on mini rods, cause
Breaking them all.
yeah,
I'm losing them.
I either break them catfishing, or like I took a couple to the beach, and they got all screwed up.
Oh, whoa. He got a fish on the mini. You got him? Heck yeah.
On the mini rod, let's go. Smallest fish in the world. Heck yeah.
Got him, bud. You dragged him, boo.
Little warmouth or shell cracker, whatever you want to call it. Another fish with the mini rod. I switched up to a little, not a worm, it's on a little swim jig thing. Yeah, I don't know.
So we're down to one rod.
Mini rod down.
I don't get why fishing line tangles the way it does, but this is absolutely ridiculous.
Kill me. Kill me.
Did you just bird's nest it? Austin's getting the fish.
Ah, fuck, you waited too long.
I waited too long.
Yeah.
If he was hungry, he would have nibbled on that pitch a little
I
bit
could
longer.
have set the hook, but you weren't fucking recording.
You could have still had to set the hook.
You weren't recording, you faggot.
I was clicking the button like 10 times. Okay? 10 times.
I had a fish, man. He screwed it all up. That's the 10-pounder cast right there, boy.
That's how you reel it. Ha! Bill Dance fails.
And a bird's nest. Are you kidding me?
Wait for it. That just made it all better. Like, where is it at? It's hanging. Just yank it, you'll get it. Now. Fuck.
We weren't smart enough to bring another lure or other lures, so Hunter's getting in to get it.
Oh, that's muddy. I'm not gonna make it out there not up to my knees. Oh shit. Oh shit. Just in case I have to go swimming. Oh my god. That was a drop off. Alright. Shit.
I believe in you, Hunter. You're my hero.
My pants are gonna get wet.
You're my hero.
Yeah! Shit. Oh my god, that pond is so freaking muddy.
I'm getting a fish. Ready for this professional hook set?
Oh.
Oh, I got him. Oh,
That
it's a
rod,
monster.
dude.
Oh, look at it.
He drug up dirt.
A little pounder. We're getting bigger. We're getting bigger. That's all that matters.
Austin just cast along the bank here, and I'm probably gonna catch about a 3 ouncer.
fish? No, it's just a dirt.
Breaks rod in half.
That's a fish.
Professional hook set, bae. Man, you're fucking them up. What is it? It ain't popped up at all. Yo! He hopped up. That was a cool jump, Fishy. Good job.
Better release this time so people don't hate on me. Hunter can't fish. He's garbage.
I'm making sure there ain't no bird's nest.
He just bird's nested.
But yet when I reeled it in, it keeps getting lifted. Fitness is life. Did that just yank your rod back?
You recording?
Yeah. Yanked it. Oh, that's a monster. Giant. It's a giant
He's the
one.
biggest one of the day.
No, he ain't.
He is.
Yeah, he is. Goodness. That's an eater right there, Bo.
Oh yeah, that's a good 1.5 pound, 2 pounder right there.
Let me see him. That ain't no 2 pounder.
He's pretty dang close.
Yo, dude. Here.
It's the Lucky Rock. It's the Lucky Rock, everybody, I'm telling you.
There's that geese shit.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
Come here, piece of shit, piece of shit. Oh, shit. God damn. Dude, that thing.
He had a bite and he flipped out.
No, I didn't. No, it
did.
pulled as I.
Oh.
I didn't flip out. He yanked it and then he freaking. Do it. What the hell? That was a bigger one than that one over there, too, probably.
Oh my god.
Oh, here. No, I'm done! I am done with life! That is the second time! I am done! Oh my god! What?
Hunter was fixing a bird's nest and broke the line. Now he's hand lining it. Hunter finally got him one, boy.
Heck yeah. Let's get this thing a good release. Oh, buddy. Oh, fuck you.
Oh yeah, 2 fish in a row.
Hell yeah, and 2 casts in a row. There's another chunker. Right there. Oh yeah. Come on, dude. Heck yeah. Have fun, bud. Yes.
Okay, so Hunter's got 3 fish in a row. Like 3 casts, 3 fish. Like, holy crap.
Man, I'm sorry about your eye. I'm gonna have to get a new worm soon. Shit. Come on, bud. You go back home.
Dude, Hunter's caught like 5 fish in a row. Like, what the heck?
This is the where Austin was just fishing and something kept taking his.
Yeah, I missed a couple on the mini rod, but he's caught 5 in a row. Like, the next cast he does, I'm just going to record the cast and him reeling it in. He's going to get 6 in a row, I'm telling you. Okay. Telling you, Hunter's going to catch 6 fish in a row. He's caught 5 in a row already. Look at that. What did I tell you?
Bro, that's big too, bro. Don't get off, don't get off.
Freaking, he's on fire. Like, look at that. 6 in a row.
That's a, yeah.
Like, what the heck?
It's a good pond to bass fish.
Yeah.
Hot as fuck out here.